All right, so here you can see AUG, AAG, and based on the code, the genetic code that I gave you several slides back, AUG is the start, and it always starts with methionine. And then the next one is AAG, in this case, lysine, phenylalanine, glycine, alanine, etc. So you're just looking at this protein being manufactured by the ribosome, being translated by the ribosome based on the messenger RNA. But let's say this G becomes an A. This is a simple point mutation, and GGC is glycine, but AGC is serine. So now there's a new amino acid that could have a minor or a major effect on how that protein functions. And that's why we have different alleles. And some people have different eye colors, and some flowers have different flower colors, and some are tall and short and all sorts of different things. It is these kinds of differences that make differences in individuals, and these differences are generated by mutations. What if something is actually deleted or inserted? That means that the entire 3-unit code is shifted one way or the other by one base. If I have one base that's actually missing because a piece of DNA was lost, and so now the messenger RNA has one less, the entire frame of reading is shifted, so everything else is shifted. So in the original, I had well, let's look at the last one, GCA. Well, the G is now moved over one here, and the G is part of the previous. And so everything downstream of a deletion or an insertion event shifts the reading frame for those codons. And those usually are major differences in the protein. Sometimes it makes the protein completely non-functional and has a new expression. It has a major impact on that particular protein in how the organism is going to exist. So that is a simple kind of mutation with a base substitution. One amino acid is changed, but it still could be a major change. An insertion or a deletion is often huge changes. I should not have taken a break on that last one. I thought I had a couple more slides, but I didn't. So this is an extremely short last section of video.